Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of robotics with a focus on a remarkable innovation, the six-legged servo motor-based IoT-controlled camera robot. Imagine a robot that not only moves with the grace of a spider, but also captures stunning visuals from various angles, all while being controlled remotely through the Internet of Things. This incredible creation utilizes advanced servo motors, allowing for precise movements and stability on diverse terrains. Whether it's navigating through a garden or exploring rugged landscapes, this robot adapts effortlessly. The integration of IoT technology means you can control it from anywhere, giving you the freedom to capture breathtaking footage without being physically present. As we explore this technology, we'll discuss its potential applications, from wildlife monitoring to search and rescue missions. Join us on this exciting journey into the future of robotics. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights. Thank you for watching.